morning student. Today we will start new topic, your chapter 12, three dimensional shapes, that is a 3D shapes. Till now we discussed about the two dimensional shape like polygon, quadrilateral circle, you can say triangle, any polygon which lies on a single plane, closed figure which lies on a single plane. In a one plane we can say this is a 2D shape, but if any closed figure lies more than one plane, then it is called 3D shape. Now today we are discussing about 3D shape. Firstly we see 3D shapes. First we can say sphere. In sphere, you are familiar with some spherical shapes like bowl. We also said that earth is also in spherical shape, or in fruits we can say orange in the spherical shape. Next we can say, take the example of cylinder. In daily life, in kitchen we use cylinder, gas cylinder. Or another example, beaker which you use in laboratory, mug sometime in the cylindrical shape. Another cone, 3D shape. Cone, all are aware with ice cream cone. Or you can say cap, clown cap, joker cap we can say, or any one more we can say sometime carrot. Not properly in conical shape, but we can say it is one of the example of conical shape. Sphere, cylinder, cone. Next we can say cuboid. Cuboid we can say in the daily life you are using matchbox, geometry box, in most of the cases room also is a cuboidal shape. Cube, in cube we can take the example of dice, container, ice cube. So these are the examples of 3D shapes, that is sphere, cylinder, cone, cuboid and cube. Sphere something like we can show here by only circle. You have a ball in the spherical shape. Cylinder, like this, cylinder. Cone, conical shape. Cuboid, this is cuboid. Cube, you have to make two square. Cube. These are the figure of these 3D shape. Now see, besides of this, some other 3D figure like prism, we can say triangular prism, triangular pyramid, square pyramid. These are also the example of 3-dimensional shape. We will draw the figure of these example also. Before this, see faces, edges and vertices of a solid figure. These figures which lies on the more than one plane are called solid figure or space figure, and these type of shapes are called three-dimensional shape, because here required in 2D shape we required only two dimension, x-axis and y-axis. But whenever we want to represent a 3D shape, there is a need of three axis, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis also. This we will discuss in the another forward classes. This time we will discuss only about three-dimensional shapes are called solid figures. That we can say examples of three-dimensional shapes, we can say cone, cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere, triangular pyramid, square pyramid, triangular prism, like these examples. Okay, in these figures you can see there is a faces, edges and vertices. If we are taking an example of this notebook, this diary is in cuboidal shape. This diary is in cuboidal shape. Then in this diary, what is the means of faces? Faces का क्या मतलब होता है? Plane surface is called its faces. So how many faces of this cuboidal shape? 1, 2, this 3, 4, 5, 6. It means a cuboidal shape has 6 faces. Edges. Edges is what? This face and this face meet on this edge. This is called side. Two faces where meet, this is called side. जहाँ पे दो faces meet करते हैं, this is called the edges. Then how many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many? You can count like this also. 4 upside, 4 downside. 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12. Then how many edges in this cuboid? There are 12 edges in this cuboid. Where is the vertices? Vertices means corners. This one is and this one is meets here. This one first corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a cuboid, we can say about the cuboid, how many faces? Faces 6, edges 12, vertices 8. In the similar manner, cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. But what is the difference between cuboid and cube? In the cuboid, each faces has a rectangular shape. किसी भी क्यूबॉइड में जो भी फेस है उसकी शेप होती है रेक्टेंगुलर, एंड इन क्यूबॉइड each faces has a square face. So this is the difference between cuboid and cube. Cuboid में each faces rectangular shape and in cube each faces has square shape. Similar faces, number of faces 6, number of edges 12, vertices 8 in this. See now, if we want to see that which one face, if I give the name to it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. In this figure, can I identify that which one face is similar? कौन कौन से फेस ऐसे हैं जो सिमिलर होंगे? तो in this notebook, if I want to see which one face is similar, see this one face and this one face, both are similar. It means in this figure I can say A, B, C, D and E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H faces are similar face. Second, I can say this one and this one also similar. I can say F, C, B, G and E, D, A, H. These two faces are similar. Remaining this one A, B, G, H, D, C, F, E. these faces are similar. But in cuboid, all the faces are in square shape, then all the faces are similar. Okay. Now see the edges, which is parallel edges. I can say this one AD parallel to BC, AD parallel to HE and GF also. BC parallel to GF. AD parallel to BC, EH parallel to GF, AD also parallel to HE, BC parallel to GF. Similarly, I can say this one parallel to this and this one parallel to this also, then this side parallel to this side. So, we can find out from this given figure. Now, come on this conical shape. In conical shape, if you see properly, there is a circle. Circle, then this one is flat surface. Circle is in flat surface and upside there is a curved surface. So, it has one flat surface. This side it has flat surface and this side has curved surface. And this one where two faces meet, this is called as. One as here. Now in the cylinder, up circle, down circle, it means two flat faces. Two flat faces and this one is just curved faces. Two edges, one and this side two. Upside and downside. Where two faces? Here one curved face and flat face meet, then this is called an edge. So there in this cylinder there are two edges and here only one edge. In sphere there is only curved surface, no flat surface and no edges here also. Okay, now see in the book, you might be familiar with the following solid shape also. Prism. Prism, how to configure? I make two triangles. This is a prism in this. This one is connected by dot dot, upside also. If you see prism, अगर तुमने कभी prism देखा है तो you can see upside face, downside face triangle. Here also triangle. How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one complete 5. If I give the name here A, B, C, D, E, F, then count the number of faces. First face is A, B, C in triangular shape, D, E, F in triangular shape, then after A, B, E, D in rectangular shape, B, C, not rectangle, we can say quadrilateral or parallelogram, B, C, F, E in a quadrilateral shape, and backside A, C, F, D is also in quadrilateral shape. So here how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is called a triangular prism. You can count your edges also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 edges, vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices here. Next we can say triangular pyramid. In triangular pyramid we make one vertex and join with all these. Then it becomes triangular pyramid. A, B, C joined by DO. Then how many faces in this? A, B, C. One face, downside triangular pyramid, then triangular, base is triangular. Then after A, C, D 1, B, D, C 2, A, B, D 3. These all three sides connected to a vertices D. This is called triangular pyramid. Why? Because the base is in triangular shape. If I take base in square shape, then this type of pyramid is called square pyramid because base is in square shape. And how many faces then? Base, this one, then all are connected to a vertices E, that AB connected to E, AD connected to E, BC connected to E, DC connected to E. Then 4 triangular faces and 1 square faces. So this is called square pyramid. This triangular pyramid, there are total 4 triangles, 1 base, then 3 upside, that AC connected to D, AB connected to D, BC connected to D. Then total 4 triangular faces, that's why this is called tetrahedron also. This pyramid also called tetrahedron. And one more thing, that cuboid is also called the rectangular prism. Now see, in cuboid you already discussed that 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 corners. Cube 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 corners, same. Cylinder 2 flat or plain faces, 2 edges and no corners, 1 curved face. Cone 1 flat face and 1 curved surface, 1 edge and no corner. Sphere 1 face which is curved, no edges, no corners. Now in pyramid, triangular prism, 5 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, backside 5 faces, 6 corners, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, square pyramid, 5 faces, 1, then AB to E, AD to E, BC to E, DC to E, for this triangular faces. Total 5, in this total 4 faces. And 5 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Okay, now discuss the questions of 12th A exercise. How many edges does the figure have? One cuboidal shape is given to you. One cuboidal shape is given to you, given name ABCD and downside EFGH. Your question is, how many edges does the figure have? It is a cuboidal shape, then how many edges? Total 12 edges. Can you give the name of edges? AB, BC, CD, DA. For this one, EF, FG, GH, EH. For this one, then AE, DH, and here BF, CG. And total how many edges in this? Total 12 edges in this. Which edges have the same length? इनमें से कौन सी edges है जिनकी same length होगी? AB, DC, EF, GH. That is AB, DC, EF, GH. These four same length. AD, this one, EH, BC, and FG. These also four have the same length. Then after AE, DH, BF, CG. These also have the same length. Now next question is, name all the edges in the drawing at the right and the faces which intersect to form these edges. जो right बना रही हूँ. See here, this one right like this. You can give the name DC and CG. You can give the name AB and BF. You can give the name AE and EF. Then like this you have to give the answer. Okay. Now you can do according to this your 12A exercise complete. And 12B we will discuss later because it is related to lab activity. So we have to perform something here. So in this exercise complete only 12A exercise in your notebook and see properly, write down, find out some more examples related to three-dimensional shape that give the examples of cone, sphere, cuboidal, cube in the daily life which you are using. Thank you. Have a nice day.